sports meet ka kasi mo, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita niya ng ano ngayon, ng routing time?
First of all, this is a team effort, no? From the management, coaches, players, no? I want to take this opportunity to thank our main supporter, si Boss Al Francis Chua. He's here watching, tapos guiding us, no? Mentor namin yun eh. And second, it's credit to the coaches, no? The game plan, everything. Coach Juno, Coach Peter, no? It's not me, no? Sila, Coach Jaren, Jam. I have to, sabihin lahat kung sino sa mga to eh, no? Coach Jam, si Jaren, si Fortuna, no? Coach CJ, Coach Bam, Coach Sil, conditioning coach, and at the same time, players wants to win, they're sharing the ball, they play as a group. Tsaka importante ito, team ko na to. Tsaka matagal na itong preparasyon namin. Kaya we're ready. Mahabang season to, pero for sure, with the coaches that I have, we'll be ready.
Thank you, Coach Vito. To Nick, you had 14 points, including 2 3-pointers, 3 rebounds to assists, 1 block. Ito, sabi ni Coach Vito kanina, team effort. At yun na nga, yung tulong na hinahanap mo, ito na, nakikita na nandiyan na. What can you say?
Credit lang lahat sa teammates ko and sa lahat ng coaches. Laki ng tiwala na binigay sa akin. And of course, continue na kami ni Forts, ni Mings na to be the leader of the team. Continue na kami, sama-sama na kami.
Thank you. Tomorrow, we have 13 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 steals. So, what can you say about your first UAAP game? What can you say?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank God to give me this opportunity to be here. You know, few years ago I wasn't able to be here, but this year I thank God a lot for all this blessing on me, and then also Coach Pido, all this stuff, also in management. Then I think this is only the first game, so we're trying to look forward to build more chemistry in the team. That's the most important. We're here to compete against ourselves first and against all the other teams, you know. So as Coach Pido said, we're hungry. We want more, all of us. That's all I can say.
Thank you, Mo. 2. Fortunately, you had 5 points, 7 assists, 6 rebounds. So, welcome back to the UAP. Ano masasabi mo na itong yung pagbabalik mo, panalo UST, what can you say?
Overall, I'm really happy kasi isimulan namin yung season namin na napanalo namin yung unang game namin. And you know, like what we've said, we're just gonna keep on building. One game at a time lang kami. And you know, we're just gonna focus to our next game, which is yun nga, yung Ateneo. Yun na yung kumbaga pag-iisipan, pag-aandaan namin sa susunod.
Madaling kausap itong mga to eh. Itong mga bata na to, itong mga players na lumipat sa amin. Tapos yung mga coaches na nandito sa amin, madali silang kausap eh. Simple lang lahat. Gusto magtrabaho, gusto tumulong sa akin, gusto tulungan ng UST. That's it. Basta gusto tumulong. Nasa puso, madaling katrabaho lahat. Okay, itong mga to, madaling katrabaho. Ang mga inalis namin, yung mga bad vibes. No? Basta bad vibes, alis. Ganun lang. Kaya itong mga to, may mga bilog sa ulo lahat yun eh. Anghel ang dating sa akin itong mga to eh. Good vibes lahat.